Do you want to test a software or application in an isolated environment? Windows Sandbox provides a lightweight desktop environment to safely run applications in isolation. Software installed inside the Windows Sandbox environment remains sandboxed and runs separately from the host computer. To test it, how does it work? I'll show you in this video how to activate Windows Sandbox in Windows 10. Click on Start menu and search for Control Panel. Then, click on Programs, and click on Programs and Features. Search for Windows Sandbox feature, and activate it by checking the checkbox, and click on OK. Then, restart your PC. Click on Start menu, and search for Windows Sandbox. As you can see, Sandbox is opened in separate window, and it's completely isolated from your computer OS. You can minimize, maximize the window as you want or close it. Now, I'm going to show you how can we install this text editor in Windows Sandbox. I'm going to adjust the window to fit a little my screen, and copy and paste the exe from my computer to Sandbox window. Then, I proceed to install the text editor. As you can see, the software is not installed on host computer. Once you close the sandbox, all of the data you are keeping in that sandbox will get deleted instantly. As you can see, when we launch a new instance of Sandbox, it's completely clean and has no data.